Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. As I have already explained you in my previous video that there is a pattern forming as soon as it went in the negative trend, okay, and then after pandemic it's tried to move upside and creating a pattern, okay. And if you look at this particular chart, we have seen that it has already made a high of around $130. After that it is continuously on the downside, okay, trading at a level of $70.39, okay, and in a particular zone and for quite some time. So there is a pattern forming. If you look at this particular trend after pandemic, that whenever it is hitting a previous high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming, okay, and then a swing is forming at this particular level. Why I am telling you this? Because for the sixth time also it's tried to make a next high, but it didn't sustain, and then we have seen a fall has come, okay. So what you can see looking at this particular chart for the next week, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can touch a level of around $71.23. that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross a level of around $74.72. This $74.72 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around 77. Keep that in mind that once started sustaining above $77, we can see it can go further upside, and you can say it can cross a level of around $79, and a probability of going towards a level of around $82.5 is there, okay. Again I repeat that once started going upside, that means once started moving above 74.72, we can see a level of $77, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch that particular level to a 79 to a level of $82.5, okay. As soon as started moving upside, you can say that it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around 85.5. keep that in mind. This is the particular resistance. Once it's sustained above 85.5, a probability of going further upside we can see for the price of crude, and once it's sustained above 85, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go, okay. And chances are very high that once it's sustained above $85.5, we can see it can touch a level of around $92.8 to a level of 93.5. you have to keep that in mind. It can go further upside, okay. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description, okay. Now you understand something, that this is the zone where the price of crude is moving. As soon as there will be a zone breakout, okay, a zone low is coming at around $63.7, so once it moves below this level, a further downfall we can see for the price of crude, okay. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can go towards a level of around $67.9. that $67.9 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch a level of around $63.8, okay, and that is the low of this particular zone. And keep it in mind, once if it comes close to this level, chances of falling further down will be there, because these are the few resistance. 68 is a strong resistance. Once the price fall below this level, chances of going further down we can see to a level of $67.8 to a level of around $63.8, and then we can see a level of around $59. Keep that in mind, 59.7, okay. And if the price fall below $60, I'll make another video explaining you where it can, but probability is very high because we have not seen this level since December of 21, so chances are very high that once started falling below a level of around $60, we can see it can fall further low, because this level, not December, we have not seen this level since March of 2021, so chances of falling further down we can see for the price of crude, okay. So you have to keep that in mind, that once started falling below a level of this zone 63, then we can see it can fall further down, or once it started moving above a level of 84, we can see it can go further upside, okay. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.